Like the Hayabusa there?
We got this is the only Hayabusa there is right now. Except there's no old one here.
Yeah.
But it's hard to see Hayabusas.
I know.
Because not everybody got the money like my buddy.
Hey, easy.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase the bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I gotta taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's not of no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
look good today. I look good today.
Hey, shut up when I'm...
Oh man.
So, I put headphones on that. I can just like fucking lean that like over, dude. It's so good.
Like your fucking chemistry.
Yeah, I tried to dump the bike at the school.
Okay, I gotta start over here. I got mixed up.
Yes, he does. Yeah. Have you seen this one? This is actually.
Suzuki.
Actually, does your bike consume oil? Because mine consume.
Good.
My brother.
See you later.
Oh, hey Nelson, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going, bud? Hey, oh, Tony, how are you, man?
Long time no see.
Long time no see. You try to start it. It sounds like
Tell us.
all right, here we
Tell
are.
us what you see, man.
We got some Ducatis.
You like the Hayabusa there?
We got, this is the only Hayabusa there is
Yeah.
right now.
No,
Except
there's
no old one here.
Yeah.
But it's hard to see Hayabusas.
I know.
Because not everybody got the money like my buddy
Hey,
Tony.
easy, easy.
But you see all kinds of bikes, like beautiful bike, old bikes, BMWs, Ducatis,
Everything.
KTM. We got everything.
CBRs,
CBR.
600,
There's my bike.
Yeah,
So this is just the beginning.
So a lot of locomotion going on here.
Yeah,
eh?
there's a lot of crazy stuff
I know.
going on. But we got the taco bar.
Oh yeah, that was good there.
We had
Some tacos, some quesadillas,
we had some dinner.
fajitas. No, no fajitas. They have
a
fajitas.
burrito.
Yeah.
That was a burrito.
Burrito.
Yeah, that's what we ate. A burrito.
Jarritos.
Yeah. So this is awesome. This is pretty cool. So we're here on a Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
Yeah, every Tuesday.
Two-wheel Tuesday. Every Tuesday.
So
Oh, Ducati.
Oh my God, they got.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Gentlemen ride? Yeah. Is this Sunday? I'm like, no, I want to ride, but not in the suit.
Me neither. I don't know.
Suit. Not in the suit. Yeah, I'll be in a suit.